Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to post draft videos in Instagram. We start by opening Instagram and creating a new story. After that, we are going to click on the lower gallery icon. Afterwards, we will see the top drafts option and click on it. Here we will be able to find the draft videos that we have and click on the one we want. After this, we can use it to publish our story. Keep in mind that once you use a video in drafts, it will no longer appear in that category. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.